Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. This is Ashik Salim from Informatica GCS, and in this video we'll see how to find SAP transports used for PowerExchange for SAP. We already know that these SAP transports contains the function module that is necessary to extract data from SAP through with the help of our sender, let it be using the table reader connector, static or dynamic, or the IDOC connector, BW connector, or even BCI. So in this video, we will show how to download and locate these SAP transports and a demo of the same. So the location of the SAP transports. So below are the steps for finding the SAP transports. First, we have to log into the Informatica portal, that is network.informatica.com, using your credentials. Then we have to download the clients based on your version. So oh, for different versions of Power Center, the transports shipped along with it is different. So we have to download and access the transports corresponding to your version. These transports are backward compatible. That means if we use the transports for 10.5.4, it will be compatible with the Power Center machine of 10.5.1, but the 10.5.1 transports won't be compatible with 10.5.4. And Informatica ships these transports for SAP Unicode versions 5 and later in the following folders. The first one shows the location of the core files, and the other one shows the location of the data file. As we already know, all the SAP transports are packed as a data file and a core file, and these files can be given to the SAP basis team or any SAP internal team so that they can place in their server location and import it to their respective system. So moving on to the demo. I have logged into network.informatica.com using my support credentials, and in this we can go for download sender under the support category. Here we can search for any particular client. So we have the option of filtering it based on the product, operating system, and processor. So since the client is only for Windows, we do not have to put any filter. We can see 10.5 Windows client installer and 10.5.4.1, even 10.5.4 is also available. For this demo, I have already downloaded the 10.5.4 client installer and extracted it. And to be the point to be noted, this is the client installer file, not the installed location. And in the installer, we can see a folder called SAP Trans. If you open it, we have two folders, BW and MySAP, and inside MySAP there is core files and data files. These folders contains the core file and data files of all the SAP transports that will be required by us. And it also this folder also contains our documentation, which helps us to identify which all transports are needed for our system and the steps for installing the same. We can refer the documentation mentioned here, which has all the info about all the transports and whichever ones are required and whichever ones are optional. So all the required transports need to be imported in the SAP system, and optional ones are based on the SAP connectors we use. So if we are not planning to use any IDOC connector, then we don't need to import the optional IDOC transports. But still, the required transports are needed, and all those info will be documented in this particular documentation and also in the documentation that is present in the folder. So that is all about this video, and we would love to hear from you regarding this support video and the other support videos. Please write to us on supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can contact us through our Twitter handle. Thank you everyone.